Hey everyone, it's Forever Unboxing 24/7, and today we're going to be opening up some random Pokemon cards again. So I got these from my local indoor swap meet. These are legit, they're real. The store I got it from was called Blaskorp, and they're located in booth A1 at the fantastic indoor swap meet. So yeah, so I got a couple Vivid Voltage, Chilling Rain, and Evolving Skies, just because. So, but we'll start off with the Vivid Voltage. I'll just run through these really quick here. So let's see here. Let's get this open. These packs always give me a hard time. All right. Code card there. Alright, so Fire Energy, Hero's Metal, Stunfisk, and also don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and wish me some luck today with these packs. Aracuda, Piggy Pack. Alright. And awesome, I got a Reverse Hollow Energy. I love the hollows. And a Zekrom Hollow. Alright. Next one here. Oh, that was a decent pull. See how I do with this. Energy, D-Watt, Aromatic Energy, another Hero's Metal. Oh, I see something popping out already. Joltik, Sandile, C-Dot, and Reverse Hollow D-Watt. Nice. Ninjask. Right, up next, Chilling Rain. Alright, some Dark Energy. Impact Energy. Oregon 2. Okay. Scovet. Alright, and Reverse Hollow Snover. Ampharos. And let me know in the comments below any improvements I could make, any suggestions, anything else you would like to see unboxed. I'll be glad to take your feedback. Alright, Energy. Also, let me know in the comments below your latest pulls, your most favorite ones. And I wish you guys luck as well when you do your own pulls. Always feels good to get something cool, in any pack. Kaboo. Quillfish. Spirit Bomb. Alright, nothing much in that one. Alright, Evolving Skies. Energy. Hippodon. Braviary. Lucky Ice Pop. Oh, that sounds refreshing. A little Bergmite. Drowsy. One of my favorites, Drowsy. Scraggy. Bagon. Alright, Reverse Hollow, Gordy. Talonflame. Oh, that one's alright. And last but not least, Evolving Skies. Again. Alright, Grass Energy. Skiploom. Fletchlander. Shopping Center. Another Drowsy. Scraggy. Feebas. Hitmonchan. I gotta love those fighting Pokemon. Yep. Slackoth. That's me today. And a Reverse Hollow Pinster. Very nice. Hey! Oh yeah. My second gold card of the week. Can't complain there. Turffield Stadium. Awesome. Look at that artwork. Let's get close up there. Who doesn't appreciate that? Alright. And that was the last card. Oh, there we have it. Oh. Alright, try to run away from me. Gotta sleeve this one up. Alright, so there you have it. Thank you guys for watching.